be something very interesting. We are going to draw this picture and color with this beautiful shades, and this is really very easy. So let's start with the plain paper. So here I have plain paper. I'm going to draw directly with the black sketch pen. You can draw firstly with the pencil. This is very simple flower. You can take the help to your parents, your sister, brother. Otherwise, this is very easy flower. I'm going to draw 2 flowers. It's your choice. If you want to draw only one, then it's okay. It's upon you and your creativity. Leaf. The way is to draw the leaf. This is a semicircle here. Then another semicircle from here. A center line. Then these diagonal lines. I repeat it again, it's upon your choice what type of designing, or if you want to change the flower. It's not कि आपको यही flower draw करना है. You can draw any other flower. Now let's start the coloring. I'm going to fill a very beautiful color. These 3 colors in a single flower. Like firstly, I am going to take a yellow. From the outer side, I'm going to hold this color like this. It's not like this, like a pencil. From the outer to inner. With very soft hands, I'm going to fill a half petal only with a yellow. Then I'm going to take orange from the inner to outer now. This. Like this. Now I'm going to take a red to give a dark impression in the inner side of the flower. Like this. The second flower I'm going to fill with the pink. For this I have a light pink, I have a dark pink, then the purple. So this is again the same procedure, same technique from the outer side to the inner. Then the dark pink from the inner to outer. Then a little purple to give a beautiful color combination to this flower like this. Now for the leaves, I'm going to fill the leaf firstly with the light green. Be careful about the coloring. The way of fill the flower or leaf, like this. This is a wrong way. You have to fill in one side, rather this way or this way. Don't fill your picture like a zigzag. Now this is a light. Now I am going to take a dark green and randomly I am going to draw somewhere in a leaf the dark lines, and you will get a dark impact in a leaf. Here is a center brown. You can fill the black or a maroon. For the stem, like a light and a dark. So like this, my picture is complete. For now, for the background, I'm going to take a blue color. Now please be careful about the background. This is my color. I'm like hold this color like this. It's not like this, it's like this. I'm going to fill the background. It's very easy, but the impact of the coloring and this shading is very nice. I'm going to take the green to give some color. The same procedure, you have to hold the color like this and see the impression of the color. Now for the background, I'm going to take a dark green. It's like a 6. आप मैथ्स में 6 लिखते हैं? It's like a 6. Please randomly draw these squirrel shapes anywhere and put a dot. Final picture is this. So I hope you enjoyed this activity, and this is really very easy technique, and thank you and have a nice day. Enjoy this activity.